In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a site using Google Sites. This is an excellent tool for anyone looking to build a web presence quickly and for free, and it's ideal for personal projects, businesses, educators, and more. We're going to dive right in, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites by simply opening your web browser and entering the URL sitesgoogle.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a straightforward interface that makes setting up your site easy. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do that with your Google account, as it will be necessary for proceeding with your site creation. After you're signed in and you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of any sites you've created. If this is your first time here, you might not have any just yet. But don't worry, creating a new site is simple. You will either click on a blank template or select from a range of ready-to-use templates. Take your time to explore these options, and when you're ready, click on your chosen site to begin editing. Once you have selected the site you'd like to work on, look over to the top right corner of your screen. You will find a Publish button here, which is integral to making your site live. Clicking this will take you to the publishing options. Before you publish, however, you might want to review some settings first. So click on Publish Settings, usually found in the drop-down menu adjacent to the Publish button. This is where you control the specifics of your site's URL and visibility settings. Take a moment to decide on the web address you'd like for your site, keeping it short, memorable, and reflective of the content you're displaying. Sometimes the system will suggest URLs for you. Feel free to adjust these until you get it just right. Now, after choosing your preferred URL, you should see an option to save these changes. Click on Save, and you're just about ready to go live. This process ensures that your customizations are applied and that your URL is locked in. And it's a good way to double-check everything before unveiling your site to the world. Finally, once you're satisfied with all these settings and have saved your changes, go ahead and click Publish. Congratulations, your site is now live. Keep in mind that you can always return to Google Sites to make edits or updates as required. And there you have it, a simple way to get started with Google Sites. Remember, practice makes perfect. So the more you explore the platform, the more proficient you'll become in tailoring it to your needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find building with Google Sites as rewarding as I do. See you next time.